Hey guys, so in this video I'll guide you through what to do if your Instagram add to story button is missing. So without any further delay, let's get started. The very first thing you could do is to fix this problem is to go to your app or Play Store and find out if you are able to update Instagram. This is the one of the first way to actually fix the issue. So we are going to Play Store and here at the search bar we have to search for Instagram. So at the right next to Instagram it will either says update or open. If it says open, it means that you using the updated variant, otherwise it will say update, which means that you need to update your app. So after updating your app, your problem will be solved. Then if you are unable to update the Instagram app, so go back to your phone settings and you have to scroll down to find app. Here in the app settings you have to search for Instagram. After opening the Instagram, you simply have to click on storage and cache. Here you can see the option of clear storage or clear data at the bottom of the screen. You simply have to click on this and after that you have to clear all the data for Instagram. Then you have to go back and you have to go to permissions. Here you have to allow all the permissions to Instagram. You have to grant each and every permission and after that you simply have to go back to Instagram app and again log into your account. It will fix your issue. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.